Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a Mailchimp subscribe form to WordPress. This is the WordPress website we will work on. First, I will log in to my WordPress dashboard. And for this tutorial, I will use a plugin. Just look for this WordPress plugin called MC4WP. It stands for Mailchimp for WordPress. This is it. Make sure that you install this one by IP code. Click on install now. Activate your plugin. Now that we have our WordPress plugin installed and also activated, let's connect our WordPress website with our Mailchimp account. To do that, just go to MC4WP, click on Mailchimp. In order to connect between these two, we need our Mailchimp API key. To get it, just click on this link, get your API key here. The official Mailchimp website opens up in a new tab. Log in to your Mailchimp account, just like that. And you will directly land in this API keys page in Mailchimp. If something happens and you don't land in this page, just click on your profile icon from this corner. Click on account and billing. Go to extras and click on API keys. And you will arrive at the same API keys page. Now you need to create a key. Click on create a key button. Give your API key a name. It's better to give it the website name. For example, this name. Click on generate key. Copy your key just like that and hit done. Go back to our WordPress website, paste your API key here and click on save changes. Now my Mailchimp account is connected to my WordPress website. As you see, this is my list name and also the number of subscribers. What you need to do now is to go to form. I've already created this form called form 1. So what you will see on your website will be slightly different than this. It's simple. Just give your form a name, for example, form 1, and hit create form. After that, you will see exactly this page. From this page, you can edit your form fields. As you can see, the email address is required. You can add the first name. Now, you can edit the field label and also the placeholder, which means the text to show when the field has no value. Click on add to form. And now this is your form. It starts with the first name and also the email address and the sign up button. Click on save changes. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Now that we have the form fields required to collect the information we need about our subscribers, let's edit the design of this form. Or instead of starting with the design, let's embed this form to our website. Just copy this code just like that. Click on copy. Let's create a new page. Give your page a title, for example, subscribe. Paste the code just like that. Click on publish. Let's visit this page. As you can see, this is your page title and the form is super basic. Now let's edit the design of this form. Just go back to our form editing page, go to appearance, and next to form style, select, you can select, let's see what basic is. Refresh this page. As you can see now, slightly better. Let's try the light theme, save changes, refresh page. Now this is this is better. Now let's check the dark theme, refresh. This is the dark theme. Let's go with the green theme. Now that our Mailchimp subscribe form is added successfully, let's test it. First, just fill in a name. For example, let's give our first name. Let's use something unique. And the email address is Ben's testing address at gmail.com. Before I test this form, let's see the settings that you can play with. From the messages tab, you can edit the form messages, like what your website visitor will see when he successfully subscribed. This is the text. For invalid email addresses, this is the message. There are many messages: already subscribed, general error, unsubscribed, not subscribed, no list selected. After editing, click on save changes. Now for settings, here you can select the email list or the audience list on your account. For this account, I only have this single list. You can use double opt-in, which means that your subscribers will require to verify their email address by hitting a verification link. You can go with yes or no. I recommend you to go to only get double opt-in emails to make sure that your subscribers have access to their emails, and at the same time they slightly interact with your mailing account. Subscriber tag, you can tag your subscribers. Add your tag here. Form behavior. This is a good feature, which is hide form after a successful sign up. This is good, and this is the thank you page, or the page that they will be redirected to in the case they successfully subscribe to your list. Let's test this. Let's create a new page. Call it thank you page, and for the message, thank you for your subscription. Check these resources. Hit publish. Let's copy this page URL and use it as the thank you page. Save changes. Now let's test our Mailchimp form. Click on sign up. Oh, my bad. The thank you page is not the final thank you page, but it's the thank you page after the verification page, they should call it, because we use double opt-in. Now I will check my email to verify my address. This is the verification email that I received. Just confirm your email just like that. And now my email address is confirmed. You can also create a page like this one and tell Mailchimp to start sending subscribers to it after they confirm or after their double opt-in confirmation. And this is how to add a Mailchimp subscribe form to WordPress. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.